At ACQUIP, our customers' satisfaction is always our top priority. To ensure your satisfaction, we must also ensure your safety. We rigorously test all equipment so when it's sent out, it is functioning exactly as it's meant to be. While this should be obvious, what you may not know is that isn't all we do to keep you as safe as possible. Every equipment rental is thoroughly cleaned and disinfected, both once received and again before it's shipped out. Our strict cleaning policy is always practiced, and especially important during times of elevated health concern. You can have peace of mind that your equipment will be functioning at its best and as clean as can be right out of the box. For more information on our safety practices, email us at info@acquip.com or call us at 305-538-7101.